Now let's talk about setting up your Google Ads account. So here are the step-by-step guides how you can setting up your Google Ads, and I will do this activity in live so you can check the video also and you can follow the steps also. So basically first thing what you have to do, you have to go on Google Ads website. You can directly go by ads.google.com. After that you have to sign in if you haven't created your account. If you are first time visitor, then you can create your account, like putting your Gmail account, something like that, and whatever the thing Google will ask you for the formalities, so you have to follow all the steps and then click on the start now button. After that you will access Google Ads and you will redirect to the Google Ads dashboard, and you can start the process for setting up your first campaign. For setting up your first campaign, you have to click on campaigns in the left hand menu and then click on plus button next campaign button. Then select the campaign goals. You have to select the campaign goals such as sales, leads, website traffic and more. So choose the goals which is aligned to your business or your advertising. So basically we are doing for print on demand, so we will go for the sales. So choose the campaign type. Google Ads provides several campaigns including search, display, video, shopping and app. So you have to select the marketing strategy. So you have to select that ads which suits your marketing strategy. For beginner, you can go with the search campaigns also, so that you can learn basic things about the Google Ads. So as a beginner, I will suggest to go with the search campaign always. Then next step will be adjust campaign settings. You can fill the campaign details including campaign name, demographic, location targeting, language settings, bid strategy. So you can do these things, or setting daily limits, start and end date. So you can choose these things here also. Now choose your audience. So you have to define your audience, specify your demographic, interest and behavior. You can choose also specific keywords if you running the search campaign only. Now the next step will be create ad groups. Within the campaigns, create ad groups. Each ad group focus on the specific theme or set of keywords. So create relevant ad text or select keywords for each ad groups. Now next step is writing ad copies. So compile ad texting for your ads. Be sure include the headline, description and relevant keyword. Set bids and budget. Determine your budget. Determine your bid strategy. Example, manual CPC or automated bidding. So set your maximum CPC you want to put, and specify your daily budget also. Now next thing, that after that you have to just click on the launch button. So Google will save and continue, and like once your ads got approved, Google will launch it. So in the billing information, you can add the you will need to enter your billing information to pay the advertising cost. It can include various method according to your location. If you are living in the US, so you can do by phone pay, Apple Pay or some debit card, credit card. Once it is done, then you can verify your website also. And once these activity has completed, you can monitor your campaign and optimize it according to your marketing demand. So now let's launch the first campaign. So all the steps will be same as we talked about setting up the Google account. So directly we will go directly in the Google Ads and we will access our dashboard, and after that just we will go in the campaigns. We will select our campaign goals. For the print on demand, we are doing sales, so we will select the sales. As a beginner, we will start with the search campaign. Just click on the search campaign and then adjust the campaign details, like campaign name. You can write it, create a descriptive name, location and language you can specify it. Bidding strategy you can choose is automatic also. Daily budget you can set your daily budget, and start and end date. So end date you don't need to put it. You can daily check your ads and optimize it according to the need. After that, choose your location. Once demographic and interest behavior, or you can put the keywords in the search campaign if you are running the search result ads. Once it is done, then create ad groups. You can make a different ad groups. In that you can put a different keywords and add copies in that. Put the description, headlines and relevant keywords. After that, just put bidding amount, and then you are ready to launch your first campaign. So these are the things you have to do when you are launching your first campaign. So just start your Google Ads with the search Google Ads. By doing this, you will know about the Google Ads. Now let's talk about the common mistake usually people do when they are running the Google Ads. So the first mistake they usually do, not conducting adequate keyword research, means failing to research and select the right keyword. Usually people, what they do, they put the irrelevant keyword. Due to that, your ads will be shown to the irrelevant audience. So solution for that is to conduct keyword research using the research tool, which you will find in the Google's also. Which you will find in the Google Keyword Planner also, and you can use some tools, SEMrush and some other tools also. Other mistake usually people do, neglecting negative keywords. Usually people do neglect negative keywords, can waste budget or relevant search queries. So solution for that is you can review the search query reports regularly and add negative keywords to filter out irrelevant traffic. Other mistakes people do, overlooking ad extension. So what is the mistake in that? Neglecting ad extension means missed opportunities to enhance ads and additional information. So the solution for this problem is implementing relevant ad extension. Example, site link, call out location to improve the effectiveness. Next mistake usually people do, ignoring quality score. What people do, quality score result is higher cost and lower ad position. So usually people do the mistake disagreeing quality score. Quality score result in higher cost and lower ad positioning, followed by negatively impacting your campaigns. So what is the solution for that? Focus on improving your quality score by creating relevant ad copies using targeted keywords and optimized landing page. So the next mistake usually people do, overlooking mobile optimization. So usually people neglect mobile users. Neglecting mobile users can lead to missed opportunities, as a significant portion of users use Google on the mobile devices only. Solution for that, ensure your ads and landing page are mobile friendly. Consider users mobile specific ad formats and bid adjustment. Next mistake is forgetting campaigns. Not regularly monitoring and optimizing your campaigns can result a wasted spend and missed opportunities. Solution for that, continue review and optimize your campaign. Make adjustment based on the performance data and market changes. The next mistake people do, ignoring demographic targets. Usually failing to target the right audience locations can lead to ads being shown to the irrelevant audience. The solution for that, use geographic target to reach the most relevant audience for your business. Adjust bid modifier based on your location performance. The next thing usually people do a mistake of not implementing conversion tracking. Without conversion tracking, you won't know which keywords on ads are driving valuable actions on your website. So the solution for that, set up the conversion tracking. By that you can know the effectiveness of the keyword, like which campaign is giving the more sales and which is not giving. So you can optimize your campaigns according to that. So the next mistake people usually do, ignoring ad scheduling. So usually running ads 24 into 7 may not a cost effective if your target audience is active during specific hours. So the solution is that ad scheduling to show your ads during the times when your audience are most likely to convert. So simple words means you don't need to run your ads 24 into 7 hours. Just see your audience when they are most active, and then you can run according to that. Other mistake usually people do, ignoring budget measurement. So people usually so people not properly measure so people not properly manage budgets, which can cause overspending and unutilization of the budget. So the solution is simple for that, like you have to monitor your budget regularly, adjust your bidding and budget as needed to align with your goals and campaign performance. So the other thing, usually people do a mistake of focusing slowly on the keywords. Usually people prioritize click over conversion, can lead to the high click through rate and but low ROI. So the solution is focus on driving meaningful conversions and ROI rather than just click. Optimize for the actions that matter most in your business. Don't most focus on the clicks, just focus on the conversion mainly. So this is all about the Google ads. So you can start running the Google ads. Google ads also gives good profit in print on demand business, and you can start your Google ads with the search base ads. Then you will familiar with the Google ads, then you can start your Google ads easily.